Now that we know a bit about installing software and dependencies from individual executables or package files, let's take a look at a different way to manage software installations using tools called package managers. You've actually already seen a package manager in action. Remember the apt or advanced package tool we talked about in an earlier video? Well, the advanced package tool is actually a package manager for the Ubuntu operating system. We'll talk about apt in a little bit, but you might be curious about what options you have for Windows package management. A package manager makes sure that the process of software installation, removal, update, and dependency management is as easy and automatic as possible. Think about the normal way you might install a new program on your Windows computer. You might search for it in a search engine, go to the program's website, download the installer, then run it. If you wanted to update the software, you might open up the program and use whatever mechanism it provides for you to install the new version. Lots of programs give you a way to perform automatic updates, and Microsoft takes care of the ones it writes through Windows Update. But you might even need to go back to the website you downloaded the software from originally to grab another installer for the new version. Finally, if you wanted to remove the software, you might use the Windows Add Remove Programs utility, or maybe run a custom uninstaller if it provides you with one. Some installation technologies like the Windows installer can take care of dependency management, but they don't do much to help you install software from a central catalog of programs or perform automatic updates. This is where a package manager like Chocolatey can come in handy. Chocolatey is a third-party package manager for Windows. This means it's not written by Microsoft. It lets you install Windows applications from the command line. Chocolatey is built on some existing Windows technologies like PowerShell and lets you install any package or software that exists in the public Chocolatey repository. I've included links to both in the next reading. You can add any software that might be missing to the public repository. You can even create your own private repository if you need to package something, like an internal company application. Configuration management tools like SCCM and Puppet even integrate with Chocolatey. That helps make managing deployments of software to the Windows computers in your company automatic and simple. We've talked about a few ways we can install packages in earlier videos. Let's add Chocolatey to the mix, which supports several methods of software installation itself. First, you can install the Chocolatey command line tool and run it directly from your PowerShell CLI. Or you can use the package management feature that was recently released for PowerShell. Just specify that the source of the package should be the Chocolatey repository. Remember this from our talk about installing software? We used this command to locate the Windows sysinternals package after adding Chocolatey as a software source. Just a refresher, the command was find package sysinternals include dependencies. That's all well and good, but how do we actually go about installing this package? Well, that's where the install-package commandlet comes into play. We can use this tool to install a piece of software and its dependencies. Let's give installing that sysinternals package we found earlier a shot. So I'm just going to go install package-name sysinternals. Yep, I'm just going to confirm. And just like that, we've got our package. We can verify it's in place with the get-package commandlet. So get-package-name sysinternals. You can also uninstall a package using the uninstall-package-name sysinternals.